Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the station is awake and the screen shows a prompt. Tap the Start or Language button, then choose Checkout or Scan Items. Once done, take a single item, align its barcode with the scanner window, and swipe it past at a steady pace. If it's on a scale, place it gently in the center. Make sure to watch the screen for weight or age prompts and follow any immediate instructions the machine displays. You continue by scanning each item and putting it into the bagging area as instructed. The scale compares expected weight, so place items thoughtfully. If the machine asks for item verification, check the name and confirm or rescind the last scan. For produce without barcodes, enter the PLU number or select the produce category. When an age check appears, have your ID ready and follow the prompt to call an attendant if required. Keep scanning until everything is logged. You wrap up by selecting your payment method and following the on-screen steps. Tap or insert card, authorize with PIN or signature if asked, or insert cash and accept change. Once payment clears, the machine prints a receipt. Take it along with your bags and confirm you didn't leave any items behind. If a problem occurs like a frozen screen or weight mismatch, press the Help button or flag an attendant. Avoid forcing the machine, and report serial or error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.